Japanese wild animals, snow monkeys, Ushuri brown bear. Snow monkeys. Jigakyudani Monkey Park, nestled in the mountainous region of Nagano, is home to a very unique troop of wild Japanese macaques, more commonly known as Japan snow monkeys. In recent years, these fascinating animals have featured as the subject of numerous travel and wildlife documentaries, highlighting their unique habits and displaying their photogenic quality. There's no doubt that Japanese snow monkeys have become world famous, and with growing numbers of international visitors to the area, Jigakyudani Monkey Onsen has become a highlight of any visit to Japan. Japanese macaque. Japanese macaque monkey is the species which has come to be known as Japan snow monkeys. They are found in almost all parts of Japan, except for the furthest north island of Hokkaido. The northern parts of their habitat typically receive a lot of snow during winter time. There is no other species of monkey which lives so far north and survives in such a cold climate, making them very unique in character. In fact, these monkeys can survive in temperatures as cold as -20 C. With human-like expressive faces and eyes, this species of monkey has gray/brown fur, red faces, and short tails. With a lifespan of around 22 to 27 years, female Japan snow monkeys typically weigh 8.4 kilograms, while males are significantly larger, weighing in around 11 kilograms. Spotting snow monkeys. Japanese macaques live in 3 of Japan's 4 main islands, Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. The forest areas they inhabit range from subtropical to subarctic. When visiting the mountainous Nagano region, it is not uncommon to spot monkeys, especially in rural forested areas. Due to the impact of environmental changes and loss of habitat, like many species, Japan snow monkeys are often guilty of raiding farmers' crops when searching for food. Many of them even depend on supplemental feeding by humans. Luckily, however, they are not under threat, and there's a high chance of seeing a group of monkeys while in Hakuba and the wider local area. It is not typical to see them while out skiing up high in the resorts, but you might spot them in a quiet forested area, down by the river, or near people's houses. Jigakyudani Monkey Park. If you want to guarantee an encounter with snow monkeys in Japan, then visiting the world-famous Jigakyudani Snow Monkey Park is a must. The park is located in the Joshinetsu Kogen National Park in Yamanouchi, in the northern part of Nagano Prefecture. Jigakyudani literally means Hell's Valley. Located at 850 meters and surrounded by steep cliffs, with steam rising from the hot spring, it is certainly an aptly named and atmospheric location. This location has been a natural habitat for troops of wild Japanese macaques, who over time developed the habit of bathing in natural thermal hot springs as a method of protecting themselves from the harsh winter environment. And who can blame them? Japan's natural outdoor hot springs provide a relaxing and warm sanctuary, especially during wintertime. Why they bathe in hot springs? The bathing habits of Japanese snow monkeys are unique, begging the question, why do they do this? And the answer may surprise you. They were first discovered taking a dip at a Japanese inn called Korakuken, famous for its hot spring water and health benefits. The first photo of a snow monkey bathing in the onsen waters was taken by Tomio Yamada in 1962. The tale goes that the ryokan manager had started feeding the monkeys. One day an apple fell into the onsen, and when a monkey jumped in to get it, they enjoyed the warm water and stayed in to bathe. Other monkeys started to repeat this behavior, and the rest is history. 2 years later, in 1964, the Jigakyudani Monkey Park was established by Sogohara as a way to protect Japan's snow monkeys from the encroaching farmlands, and the hot spring pools, once devoted to Korakuken guests, were cordoned off exclusively for monkey use. Fast forward 6 decades later, and the Japanese macaques, or their ancestors, are still using the waters. Ushuri brown bear. The Ushuri brown bear, Ursus arctos lasiotis, also known as the Ezo brown bear or the black grizzly bear, is a subspecies of the brown bear or a population of the Eurasian brown bear, Ua arctos. One of the largest brown bears, a very large Ushuri brown bear, may approach the Kodiak bear in size. It is not the same subspecies as the grizzly bear. The Ainu people worship the Ushuri brown bear, eating its flesh and drinking its blood as part of a religious festival known as Iomet. It is very similar to the Kamchatka brown bear, though it has a more elongated skull, a less elevated forehead, somewhat longer nasal bones, and less separated zygomatic arches, and it's somewhat darker in color, with some individuals being completely black, which once led to the now refuted speculation that black individuals were hybrids of brown bears and Asian black bears. Adult males have skulls measuring on average 38.7 centimeters, 15.2 in, long and 23.5 centimeters, 9.3 in wide. They can occasionally reach greater sizes than their Kamchatkan counterparts. The largest skull measured by Sergei Onyu, 1931, was only slightly smaller than that of the largest Kodiak bear, the largest subspecies of brown bears, on record at the time. The Ussuri brown bear is found in the Ussuri Krai, Sakhalin, the Amur Oblast, the Shantar Islands, Ichurup Island, and Kunashir Island in Siberia, northeastern China, the Korean Peninsula, and Hokkaido in Japan. Until the 13th century, bears inhabited the islands of Ribun and Rishiri, having crossed the Laparau Strait to reach them. They were also present on Honshu during the last glacial period, but were possibly driven to extinction either by competing with Asian black bears or by habitat loss due to climate change. There have been several hypotheses regarding the crossing of Blakiston's line by brown bears. There could be 3 genetic groups, distinct for at least 3 million years, which reached to Hokkaido via Honshu at different times, or brown bears from Hokkaido reached to Honshu. Although the diet of an Ussuri brown bear is mainly vegetarian, being a large predator, it is able to kill any prey in its habitat. In Psychotalen, Ussuri brown bears den mostly in burrows excavated into hillsides, though they on rare occasions den in rock outcroppings or build ground nests. These brown bears rarely encounter Ussuri black bears, as they den at higher elevations and on steeper slopes than the latter species. They may, on rare occasions, attack their smaller black relatives. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.